Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create an Instagram story on the Canva application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the social media section next to the whiteboard option and go to the Instagram option, and here you can find in the Instagram story option, you create an Instagram story, and you have more option. uh, you can add image for your device, graphic elements, for example, pictures, shapes, photos, videos, audio, and more. And in the design section, you can find the different templates and just select one and step on it. So, and these templates you can edit for the animation, the colors, the design, and the pictures. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.